By the end of this video, you're going to be building Honkai Star Rail attacking animation that looks like this. In this video, we are going to learn how to importing the animation, doing some basic animation montage, recharged animation. The first thing that you have to do is go to the Epic Game Launcher and navigate to the Fab Start Exporting to searching for the animation that we are using in our projects. Searching for the animation from Lamster, click add to the library and go to your library and just click Lamster free animation volumes, add to the project. Searching for your projects, pick the compatible version. After you're done importing, you will see the Lamster free animation. You can go to the folder to view how animation sequence look like. We are going to use this animation as the main attack animation for our character. Because of Unreal Engine's the shader that we are importing use different kind of skeleton mesh that we have to do some retired animation. Is the feature in Unreal Engine that lets us to transfer the animation from one character to another. Just press right click, go to recharged animation, pick our play character, SKM Queen, okay, and pick the animation that we using, and the swing 01 to hit combo. Hit the export animation. Go to, so let's creating a new folder called target. Now we got the animation that works for our page character. Sailor Mesh, SKM Queen. Now let's create animation montage. Go to our blueprint third-person character. Button and pressing, we are doing some animation montage. Let's try playing. Now there's some strange stuff happening over here that we need to fix. Go back to our animation. Here's our page shader. Go to animation sequence and searching for loop. Yeah, enable loop motion. And then go into our player mesh. Go to the animation blueprint, searching for loop motion mode and set to loop motion for everything. Okay, now you see that the animation plays normally. The next thing that we have to do is go to our animation montage. You're going to make some animation montage to look like this. Okay, how can we do that? Just go to animation montage and you can pick so you can set the time. You can trim to specific timeline that you want the animation to play. So I want to go to somewhere like 0.77 over here. Okay, and I want to do something like this. Swing, okay. just drag the animation. Kiss this thing and set the start time to 0.77 and end time to 0.8, and let's set the play rate to get like closer to the 0 as much as possible. Somewhere like this. And it trims up a little bit. Okay, now we got some cute animation that looks, yeah, pretty awesome. I'll go in third-person shooter. Type montage. So select the animation montage as we just create. Set the pay rate to like 1.5. Let's try play the animation. Okay, now we got some cues, smooth animation. You can also set some delay for like 0.5 seconds and do something like stop animation montage. This will apply to the montage that you are currently playing. So this can make sure that you don't want the animation to play more than like 0.5 seconds. Okay, that's to like 0.8. Okay, now we got some cute animation like this. That's all this part of tutorial. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more stuff about Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.